Hi, welcome to HubSpot 101, the video series where I show you useful tips and tricks based on basic HubSpot features. And for today's video, I would like to focus on the different scheduling page type provided by HubSpot meeting tool. So when you create a new meeting link, you click on create scheduling page, and the first thing you will have to choose is the type of this scheduling page. You have one-on-one, group, and round robin. And it might feel a bit confusing about what the difference are between these three types, and I will explain them to you right now. So one-on-one is the basic scheduling page type. Is basically you have one user linked to one calendar, and it will show on the scheduling page the availability windows based on this user's calendar. So this one is kind of understandable, but the difference between group and round robin is really interesting, and we need to understand how it works. So a group scheduling page type will combine several different HubSpot users, and the availability that this scheduling page will show are only the moment when these 2, 3, 4, 5 people are available at the same time. So you will not be able to schedule a meeting with them if one of the person of that group is not available at that slot. And round robin is really different. So basically you will have a pool of users, so maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, or a team in HubSpot, and the scheduling page will show availabilities every time there is at least one person of that group available. Be careful, if you put a user that didn't connect his calendar to HubSpot, the round robin tool will show this user as available every time. So it's really important when you do that to make sure everyone did his homework and connected his calendar. Now, how does it work? Every time a lead will fill this scheduling page and choose a slot, HubSpot will check among all these different users who is available. And if there is only one person available, it will assign the meeting to this specific user. But if there is 2 people or more available at the same time, HubSpot will assign the new lead to the user that received a lead the longest time ago. So as we understand, there is like 3 different types answering 3 different organization needs, and it's important for you to make the difference between these 3 different options. I hope this explanation was useful for you. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to get a deeper knowledge on how to set up your HubSpot portal in an optimized way, I'll let you find a link in the description below of my free training containing more than 40 videos helping you to reach that goal. It was Greg, I wish you a good day and see you soon.